Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. It's a new day, so we get to open a new door. Today we're opening, where's door number 8? I know it's here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's got a pretty flower on it. Okay, so let's see what we've got. It's a little snowman. It's actually quite a robust looking snowman. Okay, so today we get to do some quite substantial amount of building because there's a few pieces in here. So we're gonna build a snowman. That sounds like a song that I once heard. Wonder what that song could be. Actually, it's not pretty like fashionable anymore because there's a whole new movie with new songs. All right, but let's concentrate on what we're supposed to be building. And the snowman has a pink layer. Why do we have pink here? Is that his little like? Oh, maybe the snowman has pink icing. Actually, I'm not quite certain why the snowman has pink. Oh, it's his scarf. I can be so slow sometimes. So slow sometimes. He's got this, oh, that's cool. So his little hat is actually also the hanger. You can put your ribbon through that to hang him up. But it looks like proportionally he's going to be a good size to actually hang out with the Lego mini dolls too. So I like that. Oh, hold on. He's a bit flippy. His little stick arms are wibbly wobbly because they're on a roundy thing. My goodness, I have absolutely no control of the English language today. So we've done the top. The bottom is rocky. He's going to be a rocking snowman. He's all rounded on the bottom. Oh, I love that. Oh, he's a wibbledy wobbledy snowman. It's like those things that you're supposed to, like you try. What's this? Hold on. That's random. Why do I have that? Oh, okay. That was not clear. So this is supposed to go under his hat just to take his little top hat just one little bit up higher. Okay, proportionally that looks a lot better. We've got a few spare pieces here. I don't think they're going to be useful at the moment, but it's nice to have spare pieces. And now we've got a wibbledy wobbledy snowman. Whee! I think we could have a competition. Why are the girls all holding frosting? Why is Emma standing on the cake? All sorts of shenanigans go down around Christmas, I've noticed, with these girls. Alright, so we've done number 8. Before I get too distracted by all the random things that are going on around here, I'll see you tomorrow for the next door. I've loved this. I'll see you then. Bye.